No more. But you'll be, again, you're just no fine for the neck. And let it been taken out. Reverse the steps.
Oh, this is for the heated seat wiring. Hang on. Hang on, there's a different video. Look, that video got us this far. If one video gets us halfway and another, oh, this guy's
fucking balls.
This guy's got the this guy's got the seats out.
And you have one.
Brilliant, that's a start.
It's in here. How do I? It's them 4 bolts there.
I fucking said that.
There you go, see? It'd have been good if somebody pointed out them 4 bolts earlier, wouldn't it?
Right, I'll give you that. Hey! Dad life, eh?
The thing is, I love this. This is typical about this fucking car. That is the BMW M5. We all know.
Yes.
You know.
Fine Fred, you know.
Do you need a leg up? Or have you got it?
Fine Fred. That's a normal BMW
Course thread.
course thread.
You just need more. You know? Have you got them?
This is quite a compromising position that
How are you managing? I'd bum him under normal circumstances, but he's a bit tense.
My nuts were on something really hard.
Yeah, they were.
Oh, I've lost a nut.
That's a bolt.
I'm sick of you all.
Hey, what is that?
What?
What's that?
This is out of Kieran's boot.
Oh, okay.
It helps me calm down. Do you need help?
Do I need help?
Just be careful because one of his glasses is.
No, she took it out. It's alright. We're safe.
Oh!
Right, fuck the bracket, get round here. It's heavy.
Sorry, that's copyright. We can't use that.
Ask Google how to undo an electrical connection, can we? Let's be realistic.
Well, to be completely honest, we have asked Google how to undo 6 bolts, so...
It was the location of the bolts that was the issue. It wasn't the undoing bit. I managed that bit.
Right. Well versed in this area.
Yeah.
Now, as a quick filming thing, last time we worked in here it was rather dark.
Turn your brightness up.
We have light source now, don't
Good
we?
news, let's get
we
the
have
lights.
fucking big lights now.
Big lights.
We have big lights, so it's not as
lights.
dark for your filming pleasure.
Thank you so much.
Illumination! What's the Minions thing? I've never seen it. Illumination! At the start of the film. No?
That's the
Yeah, production
Illuminate.
company,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's the production company. I've never seen Minions.
Have you not?
Oh, mate, you're missing out. They've got dinosaurs in it. And the crown jewels. That's all you need. That's all you need. It's
You are
a
selling it.
Do you want a leg up?
Oh, can't bend the knees, you know.
Lumbering up. Do you want me knee or my hands?
I just want to get in my boat.
Right, stand on my knee. This is where the car fucking
It just tips backwards.
It's going on me, so...
Oh, it was at the front.
It's at the front?
Yeah, it was just under stuff.
Has that been in your car the entire time?
Yes.
I'm just going to add a clip of the Springs video.
Motley, what a brilliant idea.
Go!
I don't know how close I should be with it.
Are you ready?
No, go on.
Boom! Oh. Is that plug on?
Hang on, no. Turn it on. Turn it on again.
Well, it's fucking quality bit of kit, this. You've been done, mate.
No, they worked. I tried them in the house.
Oh, there we go. Give him a twat.
Fucking...
Fucking hell. Jesus. Well, that's how they work.
Maybe it's these?
I'm not standing in front of them anymore.
That works a treat.
Good news.
I reckon I can just like rock it. How does it start? Tonight, we forget to do the intro, so you're getting it halfway through.
Yeah. So, what we're doing?
So,
Keep going. So, tonight, we fit some springs on an M5. We forget how to take some seats out of a car.
we never knew in the first place.
What?
We never knew in the first place. We couldn't forget what we didn't know.
Yeah, right. Okay. And then, that's as far as we go.
Yeah. We're on tea break.
Tea break.
That's not doing it.
That's not a 13. That's a 12.
I think it is.
It's a fucking 12. She said it was 12. Yeah, that feels like a 12, that.
You know what the fucking 12 would feel like, wouldn't you?
They'd be like, why would anyone need lowering springs on an M5? They'll be fine. They're not going to take it off.
No. The buyers are civilised businessmen, not
Yobbos in a farm.
In a shed. Right, that's loose. So I'm going to finger it now. Oh, yeah.
If you ever wonder where his kid came from,
Right there.
that's how that came about.
Right.
There's been a rather dreary part to the video.
Yeah, I'm going to cut it all down.
We'll have a tea break and the life will return.
Yeah.
However,
I don't need a wobbly bit on this. Good news.
we need to make progress before tea break, I think.
Yeah.
Oh! That fucking moves!
Are you taking the piss?
No, he is moving it right now.
Oh, there we are.
Oh.
Coming in shit!
Have we done it? Good news! Oh, shit. Bad news. Good news. Hey. Oh, God. What a bastard.
That's the correct size.
Oh, brilliant.
And we have a grinder. Need a tool, make a tool. You just grind the shoulders.
Or do we make a socket with a slit in so we can get that out?
As a small review of health and safety lessons learned from the Springs video, what did we learn? Always wear your safety squints. Should I change it? No, it's okay.
Grow up.
Same. I'm going to do this on the floor.
I'd like to keep my shins, thank you. I'm just hiding behind the box.
Because that's going to fire.
No, that's gonna.
HSE would love us. Like, honestly. Just don't put your fingers in between the springs, because I've seen those snap before and then, yeah.
I got this.
And then your fingers will just be bye-bye. No more fingering for you.
I'm just gonna.
Stand this side, you'll be fine.
Yeah.
If you don't stand directly in that line, because that is only going to go.
Why do I do this to myself? Well, honestly, why do I do it?
That's not going to work, is it? I have to turn this nut.
Well, no, I'm turning the shaft.
Yeah, but you're the wrong way. He's fucking good. He's spot on today.
We'll edit that out.
No, we won't.
Oh, please.
Have a guess what colour they are. Give her a guess. The car's white. The car's black and white. Pretty much all throughout. I'll tell you what. Everyone who guesses correct, right, is in with a chance of winning the car. What?
The big reveal. Ooh, look at them. Yeah. If you guess correctly,
You get fuck all.
Good news! We don't have to compress it.
Oh, look at that.
She's a dream. You don't need to do that, mate. Well, fuck you then. Actually, yeah, do that. It went on easy.
Things I do for you, man.
Right, now I'll get this fucking back in. Hey, it's like the Olympic torch, isn't it?
We've done the backs, it's time for the fronts.
What he said.
That's how I do the women. Would you fucking keep the noise down?
Noisy twat. Where's me fucking LD special? Thanks, Kieran. Sorry, we'll go the other way.
No, don't fucking stop!
Fuck the other way.
We're just. This is not awkward at all.
Yeah, the fronts will be easy.
kick the fucker.
Feel how tight that is.
It's still a negative. Go and give that a boot.
Your hand went out of the way.
That move?
A little bit, I think.
Oh fuck, the brakes move.
Do you want to try again?
Yeah, go on then.
That wasn't even that much of it.
That sounded positive. Oh!
You want to go again?
Just make sure that we're not. Obviously.
Oh.
I mean, it looks right what we're doing.
Oh my god!
I did a thing.
And this, and you want to know.
Oh, boot that again.
Surely.
Fucking hell.
Coming slightly.
Hey.
Oh my god!
Right.
I think you might need this spanner, sunshine.
Yeah, right. I'm an engineer.
Engineer as it spins right round.
Admittedly though, that was nice and flat. That one fucking ain't.
Yeah, I'll twist that one. There you go. Right. Yours. Do your bit.
Do my bit!
One eternity later.
Job done.
Yeah. Green.
Yes.
Oh. Yeah, I was going to say.
There is.
Look at them.
Well,
all right then.
Is that all the viewers are allowed?
Fucking twatting your car with the light in it.
No,
Look at that.
Beauty.
Lovely. Clear for takeoff.
Right, so that's the springs on. Springs, tyres, that's about it for now. So I think that's it for our Nurburgring prep. She's ready to go. So thanks for watching. Oh, my seats.
Ah, yes. That's tomorrow's job.
So we're nearly done with our Nurburgring prep. We've just got the seats put back in because I can't be arsed.
That's weight reduction.
Weight reduction, yeah.
Weight reduction.
And child reduction as well. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. You know the drill. Thanks for watching.
That's like proper. I just want to go home. Yeah. I'm properly had enough.
Nine and a half fucking hours we've been here. 9.5 hours, and we still got to tidy up the fucking place. 9.5 fucking hours.
Yeah.
And a Mackey's break. Oh, and a tea break.
And a tea break. Can't forget the tea break.
Gosh, didn't
And an intro break as well.
Oh, there was an intro
No, the
break.
intro break was in the tea break. Wasn't
Yeah,
it?
it was the mid-intro
Yeah,
break,
yeah.
wasn't it? Yeah. 9.5 fucking hours we've been here.